Today, we are going to multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers without or with regrouping. Let's define multiplication. Multiplication is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic. It is the process of calculating the result of repeated additions of two numbers. Next is regrouping. When we regroup, this means that we arrange the numbers according to their place value in order to perform an operation. In this lesson, we have multiplication terms to remember. As you can see, we have the equation 6 times 5 is equal to 30, wherein 6 is the multiplicand. Multiplicand is the digit to be multiplied. This sign is called multiplication sign. It is written between two factors. It is also called times sign, multiplication sign, or times sign. Next, we have 5. 5 is our multiplier. Multiplier is the digit that tells how many times a multiplicand should be multiplied. We also have an equal sign. We write equal sign after the multiplier. 30. 30 is our product. Product is the answer in a multiplication equation. Thus, in a multiplication equation, we have multiplicand, multiplication sign, multiplier, equal sign, and product. In multiplying numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers without or with regrouping, we have steps to follow. Step number 1. Multiply all the digits in the multiplicand from right to left by each digit in the multiplier. Step number 2. Add the partial products to get the final answer. To further understand, let's have this problem. Bagong Tanyag Elementary School Annex A needs Chico seedlings for tree planting throughout the Taguig City. If 213 pupils will participate giving 12 seedlings each, how many seedlings will be collected? How about if each pupil will give 15 seedlings, how many seedlings will be collected? Before we solve the problem, let's first answer the questions. How many pupils will participate in tree planting? There are 213 pupils who will participate in tree planting. How many seedlings will each pupil give to the school? Each pupil will give 12 seedlings and or 15 seedlings to the school. What will you do to solve the problem? We are going to solve the problem by multiplying 213 to 12 and 213 to 15. Now we multiply the given numbers. So we have 213 and 12. We write it as 213 times 12. 213 is our multiplicand, while 12 is our multiplier. Step number 1, multiply all the digits in the multiplicand from right to left by each digit in the multiplier. So we multiply 2 times 3 is equal to 6, 2 times 1 is equal to 2, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Next, 1 times 3 is equal to 3. We write 3 in the tens place because our multiplier 1 is in the tens place. Always remember that. Next, 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Step number 2, add the partial products to get the final answer. So we add the partial products. We bring down 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And we bring down 2. So, 2,556 is our product. The answer to our problem is there are 2,556 seedlings. Now, let's proceed to the second question or the second given numbers. We have 213 and 15. Now, we are going to multiply with regrouping. So, 213 is our multiplicand. And 15 is our multiplier. Step number 1, multiply all the digits in the multiplicand from right to left by each digit in the multiplier. So we have here 5 times 3 is equal to 15. We write here 5 and then carry 1. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Next, 1 times 3 is equal to 3. We write 3 in the tens place because our multiplier is in the tens place. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Step number 2, add the partial products to get the final answer. So we bring down 5. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So we have 3,195 as our product. Therefore, the answer is 3,195 seedlings. Okay? Let's have another example. For example, we have the numbers 317 and 15. So we multiply 5 by 7. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. We write 5 here and then carry 3. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Next, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. We write here in the tens place. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Next, we are going to add the partial products. We bring down 5. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. We write 5 there. And then we are going to carry 1. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, our product is 4,755. This is the answer. Next. Okay, so we have 140 times 11. So we have here 1 times 0 is equal to 0. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 0 is equal to 0. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And then add. Bring down 0. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And then bring down 1. Therefore, the answer is 1,540. Alright, last example. So we have here 148 and 58. So 148 times 58. 8 times 8 is equal to 64. So we write 4 there and carry 6. 8 times 4 is equal to 32 plus 6 is equal to 38. We write 8 there and then carry 3. 8 times 1 is equal to 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Next, 5 times 8 is equal to 40. We write 0 there and then carry 4. 5 times 4 is equal to 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. So we write 4 there and then carry 2. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now we add the partial products. We bring down 4. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And then 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Therefore, the answer is 8,584. I hope you get it. Remember, how to multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers without or with regrouping. To multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers without and with regrouping, follow the steps. Step number 1. Multiply all the digits in the multiplicand from right to left by each digit in the multiplier. Step number 2. Add the partial products to get the final answer. Let's have our last activity. Directions. Write the letter of the correct answer on your paper. I will give you 5 minutes to answer the following items. Now it's time to check your answers. Number 1. What is the product of 341 and 75? Letter A. 25,575. Number 2. 382 times 94 is equal to n. What is n? Letter D. 35,908. Number 3. If you multiply 867 and 65, what is the product? Letter B. 56,355. Number 4. The product of 734 and 54 is? Letter A. 39,636. And last, find the product of 289 and 62. The answer is letter C, 17,918. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.